Hi there, I'm Angus and I just wanted to give you an update on the Growband Pro that I've been using. So it's a head massager, it's a scalp massager, and I did a video a few months ago just on unboxing this, and I'll leave a little link in the video description below, but also I'll put a little sort of tag on the top of the video now, and you can click on to see that video, and it gives you full detail about the Growband Pro and how you can use it. But I can just give you a quick overview of it and an update on how I've been using it. So I haven't been using it that regularly for the last couple of months. For the first 3 months I used it regularly, about 10 minutes each day, and then the last few months I haven't been using it that regularly. So actually be interesting to see what it's like, before and after. Let's do a before and after photo. Actually I have dyed my hair now, so you can see that it does look a bit darker, but has it worked? The sides, it hasn't made much difference on at all, but the top area it's made more of a difference. I feel that my hair is a bit thicker and it feels good to me, but I had a hair transplant probably about 9 years ago now, and I probably could go back and do another one, but this was just a really good alternative to doing that. Well, actually it was an easier way to do it than having a hair transplant. You just basically 10 minutes each day. And when you've had a hair transplant, you could still continue to lose hair. As you can see, the scalp area, the crown area on my head wasn't as good and not very dense. This has helped just to increase that density a bit. It's really easy to use, and it's got this really nice carry case with it. And then the control itself, you just turn it on and you plug in the tube. And then this bit just goes on your head. And then you just turn it on and it inflates and then deflates. And it's as simple as that. I'll leave a link in the video description below, and you can just click on that and you can then just click to purchase it. It's really quick and easy, and it'll give you the price, because the price does fluctuate a little bit and there's usually deals and things like that going on. So just click on the link and then you can then purchase it yourself. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for some more videos. And let us know what you think in the comments below.